Question 19, paper 3, 2017 says, prove algebraically that the straight line with equation x take 2y equals 10 is a tangent to the circle with equation x squared plus y squared equals 20. So basically, when it's a tangent, we know it crosses through one point. So I've drawn this picture. Okay, so this would be a tangent because it would cross at one point, it would touch at one point. This would be a tangent because it would touch at one point. If it wasn't a tangent, then it would touch at 2 points. So we're looking for 1 point. Okay, if we can find 1 point, then we can say it's a tangent. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to rearrange the equation for the straight line into a form to make either x or y the subject, so that we can kind of substitute it in. So I'm going to make x a subject, so then I don't have to divide by the 2. Gives us 10 plus 2y. Okay, so we're happy with that. So now I know that x is equal to 10 plus 2y. So wherever I see x, I'm going to replace it with 10 plus 2y. So instead of x squared, I've got 10 plus 2y squared plus y squared equals 20. Okay, I know that this doesn't mean 10 squared add 2y squared. Okay, we need to make double brackets. So 10 plus 2y, 10 plus 2y. I've still got my plus y squared equals 20. I'm going to expand my brackets out, so I end up getting 4y squared, add 2y times 10 is 20y, but we've got that twice, so it's 40y. 10 times 10 is 100. Still got my plus y squared, and still equals 20. Okay, so I'm going to simplify that, so 4y squared add y squared is 5y squared, plus 40y. 100, I'm going to take away the 20, so I get plus 80 equals 0, make one side 0. So you can either, with a quadratic, remember you factorise quadratic formula, complete the square if it asks you to. So we're going to try and factorise it first, but I'm going to take 5 out of everything, okay, to make it a little bit easier. So 5 into 40 is 8, 5 into 80 is 16. So now I can factorise this bracket here, y squared plus 8y plus 16. Okay, so I'm going to have y and y. To make plus 8y and plus 16, I'm going to have plus 4 and plus 4. So we know we've got 5 times something equals 0. Well, one of those things must be 0. Well, 5 can't be 0. Y plus 4 could be 0, or y plus 4 could be 0. Well, we've got the same thing twice. Okay, so you don't need the same thing twice. That's not kind of necessary. Okay, so we are kind of going to say, well, just y is equal to minus 4. Okay, that's a good sign because we've only got one y value. Because when we look up here, remember, we only want one coordinate to show that it's a tangent. Okay, we just want one coordinate. So back down here, we're now going to find the other part of our coordinate. So we know from before that x is equal to 10 add 2y. So we've got x is equal to 10 add 2 lots of minus 4, because we've just found that y is minus 4. Multiply the brackets out. So you've got x equals 10 add minus 8. Well, that gives us 2. Okay. So you've got y equals minus 4 and x equals 2. So we've got one coordinate. So we're just going to write that in a statement, really. We're just going to say that there is only one point of intersection. So the line must be a tangent.